What's up, advocates? My name is Vince Perry, and welcome to the Commercial Claims Show, and I am so excited about the topic that we have for you today. Just got off the plane, just got my rental car, and basically now it's about an hour drive to Katy, Texas. That's where we're going to attack. We're going to attack Katy, Texas. I think that's the place. That's what the marshal told us got hit pretty hard, plus a couple other areas. But basically the plan is going to be BNI tomorrow morning. It's going to be BNI Thursday morning. It's going to be probably some door knocking tomorrow, another networking event on Thursday afternoon. And then Friday we've got Latinos and Roofing, which I'm sure I already shared this with you, but, you know, just got off the plane, ready to go, ready to get in the car, and ready to really just knock this out of the park. Let's go. Yeah, so we're out here in Houston, and we've definitely, you can see this house right there, it just got a tree just straight through it. And it's funny because our man Marshall sent me an address to go to where there's a lot of damage. I didn't even make it to that address. I basically turned into one of the neighborhoods here. I don't know what neighborhood it is, but I would tell you not every single house, but pretty much every single house has some significant damage. Not every single house. It's not like a hurricane, it's very different. This is definitely straight winds. There's a path to it, and it's just like hit or miss. A lot of fences are down, a lot of trees are down, and it's either significant damage or no damage. It's either a lot of shingles are missing or no shingles are missing. It's either that or nothing at all. You can see that's got damage, and then also the gutter's missing on that one. So it's a little bit hit or miss, but definitely a lot of damage around here. So hopefully we can make a difference. We've definitely already signed a few claims. We're trying to do whatever we can to help the community here and see if we can get them back on their feet. But yeah, Houston definitely got impacted. All right, we'll keep working. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, I was just at BNI. Very nice, very successful. I definitely recommend anybody, if you're gonna go to a place that you don't know, go to the Meetup app, networking groups. Like, that's what you need to do and start meeting people. I've already connected with 2 roofers. I've connected with a property manager, and I think that's gonna go well as well. Door knocking, go ahead, do it, knock yourself out. For me, I like to build relationships with people in the community to sort of get the referrals that I need to get to where I wanna get to. So yeah, make sure you do that. And I've got a video about networking and about the importance of building relationships with people. If you just click up here, you can go ahead and check that out. We're at the hotel room here the night before. We're gonna go to BNI tomorrow morning. It's nice to have an hour change. But right now I'm like so heavy into sales and marketing right now because we just finished completing the sales and marketing blueprint, and tomorrow is like day 1 of the launch. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically going over what we're doing is I'm finishing the first worksheet. I'm finishing the syllabus for our kickoff meeting that we're having tomorrow evening. So tomorrow I have to go to BNI. I'm probably going to try to set up lunch with somebody if that's possible, or go to a specific area and door knock or something. But then I have to be back by 3 p.m. so that we can do our kickoff launch first day where we're going to introduce everybody. Oh man, I'm just excited. I just wanted to share that I'm excited because what we're doing is we're giving out a syllabus, we're giving out action guides and worksheets, and we have the whole course already recorded. So every Monday, basically, people are going to receive all of the recordings for them to watch until Thursday when we get together for our live Q&A. So I don't know. I just want to share that I'm excited. I'm going to go to sleep now. It's time for me to get some rest so I can go to BNI, kick ass, take names, meet some contractors, meet some people, and just take this to the next level. Let's go. Guys, this is Vince Perry again, the Commercial Claims Advocate. I really hope that you're enjoying this content so far, because wait until you see what happens next. Stay tuned. If you're a public adjuster, or frankly, anybody in the restoration industry, attorneys included, if you are having trouble finding the right admins, Turbo Workforce and Andrew is the way to go. I cannot tell you how valuable this service is, not only because he provides you with the perfect, already vetted, already interviewed, already perfect administrator for whatever need that you have, but he also is a public adjuster, and he's been a public adjuster for a long time. So he understands the industry, and he understands the ins and outs and everything that goes on throughout the entire claims process from beginning to end. Call Turbo, contact Turbo Workforce so that you could find the perfect administrator for your company. Good luck. Yeah, I just find it interesting how I haven't worked a lot of tornadoes, so I just find it interesting how these tornadoes work, like how like just that's down, but that's not down, and then that's not down, but then that's down, and it's not like a hurricane, it would just all be flat. And then we got this thing back here. That is just like literally like it went through some kind of blender. It's just pretty insane. Just great thing about this job, public adjusting, is there's always something new to learn. You know, there's always something new, something different that you can learn in this job. That's for sure. And even after 15 years of experience, I'm still learning new stuff that I'm trying to teach you guys.
That's the only part of the fence that stayed up right there. The fence came down all around the rest of the yard in the back and the side. I guess I'm just glad that nobody was home. They were all at work when it happened.
Yeah.
But when my granddaughter came home, she's 5 years old, she was scared because she saw the trees in the front of the house and thought I was hurt.
This guy right here, Corey, Angel Man Roofing and Restoration. Just met these guys out here in Houston, Florida. Houston, Texas. I'm all backwards. But what I like about these guys, honestly, it's for a good cause. What's the slogan?
Roofing for a reason.
And what is the reason?
Angel Man Syndrome. Y'all look it up.
What is that?
It is a chromosome disorder. If you've not heard of it, please look into it. Go to angelmansyndrome.com or org. Or you can visit our website, www.angelmanroofing.com, and read more about it.
And a lot of some of their profits, some of their income that they make, they actually donate back to the cause. That's pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Stuff,
thank you, brother.
I am honored, as always, to be here with the great Amparo of Latinos in Roofing. And we are here at the event. Amparo, tell us a little bit about it.
Wow, this event is so amazing because we have to do these trainings, but today we was talking about how knocking doors, how they can get objections. But right now we have a great opportunity to talking because we have a storm in Houston. A lot of people they need to learn how knocking doors, but they open the door. What I'm gonna say, how the insurance worker work different. Is the same pitch or is different pitch what I'm going to say, what question the homeowner need, how I can be more professional to have better opportunities for my business. And our goal is to provide the best quality service for the homeowners. They need us like a professionals. That's what we bring public adjuster. They have to learn from you how they can gonna get objections with the right people. Oh, okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I have somebody, I always say, I have somebody in my office. They're gonna review your policy, make sure you have the right cover, and we're gonna do everything right. Because sometimes we don't know, people take advantage of us because we don't know anything about policies. Yeah. We don't know what the covers is good. No, we believe in the adjusters. They came and say, oh, I have repair. And we say, oh, that's the truth. Because we don't have the right people like you with a lot of experience on these type of storms. That's going to be amazing for them.
It's a great event. I mean, it's honestly awesome what Amparo's put together. You see all the people that are in there just learning, just educating themselves. I get a chance to speak Spanish, which is great. Para mí, para nosotros, yo me encanta los reclamos que es 100% seguramente. It's always tough to try to find a dependable and, quite frankly, good appraiser for your claim. Also, you're always looking to try to build your umpire list to make sure you have the right people on there. So whether you're an attorney or a public adjuster, you're going to need Nationwide Appraisal Group. Call Xander at NWA because, quite frankly, great guy, really honest, super experienced, and has a great reputation in the industry. So if you're looking for somebody to put on your appraisal list as well as somebody on your umpire list, you're going to want to call Xander at Nationwide Appraisal Group so that he could be the next guy on your appraisal to get that top dollar that you're looking for on your insurance claim. Go ahead and call them. Well, I hope you learned a lot of that show. There is so much in store for you in this channel. If you just fall into that rabbit hole, we've been doing this for 4 years. Click on one of these links here in front of you and see how much more you can learn on the Commercial Claims Show.